From the diary of St. Faustina. This is what Jesus told St. Faustina what he desired on this day, on September 24th, 1936. St. Faustina writes, on one occasion I heard these words, my daughter, tell the whole world about my inconceivable mercy. I desire that the Feast of Mercy be a refuge and shelter for all souls, and especially for poor sinners. On that day, the very depths of my tender mercy are open. I pour out a whole ocean of graces upon those souls who approach the font of my mercy. And here is the promise that he makes. The soul that will go to confession and receive Holy Communion on this day shall obtain complete forgiveness of sins and punishment. On this day, all the divine floodgates through which gracious flow are open. Let no soul feel to come near to me, even though its sins be as scarlet. My mercy is so great that no mind, be it man or of angel, will be able to fathom it throughout all eternity. Everything that exists has come from the depths, the very depths of my most tender mercy. Every soul in its relationship to me will contemplate my love and mercy throughout eternity. The Feast of Mercy emerged from the very depths of my tenderness. It is my desire that it be solemnly celebrated on the first Sunday after Easter. And then it adds, mankind will not have peace until it turns with trust to the font of my mercy. Jesus, I trust in you. Jesus, I trust in you. Jesus, I trust in you.